Hi, we are doing logarithm. Evaluate each of the following. So the first one is log 5 plus log 8 minus 2 log 2. Now we will use the rules of the log, that is n log a is equal to log a to the power n. Whenever there is a number multiplied with the log, what happens? The power that number which is multiplied goes as a power on the log. So this will become log 5 plus log 8 minus log 2 to the power 2. This 2 goes on the top. So this is now log 5 plus log 8 minus log 2. 2 ka power is 2. So 2 2s are 4. Now again we will use log rule, that is log a plus log b is log a into b. This is log a. I'll write here log a plus log b for your reference. So this will become log 5 into 8 minus log 4. Now again there is a rule, that is log a minus log b. What is that? That is log a divided by b. So this will become log 5 into 8 divided by 4. So this will come out as 5 2s are 10, log 10. Now we know that when there is no base given over here, the base is 10. So this is actually log 10 to the base 10. When there is no base given, we take the base as 10. So log 10 to the base 10 is 1. Any which ways, any log to the same base will always be 1. So now we'll see the second one, that is log 8 to the base 10 plus log 25 to the base 10 plus 2 log 3 to the base 10 minus log 18 to the base 10. Right? Now here we see it is 2 log 3. Again we know, once again the rule I am showing, log n log a to the base 10 is log a to the power n. Right? We write it like this. The number which is multiplied goes to the power of the log. So this is log 8 plus log 25 plus log 3 to the base 10 to the power 2 minus log 18. Right? Now this will become log 8 plus log 25 plus log 3 3s are 9 minus log 18 to the base 10. Now again we will apply the rule, that is log a plus log b is what? It is log a into b. Okay. So now there are three numbers, that is log a plus b plus c. Then that will become log a plus log b plus log c is log a into b into c. So this will become log 8 into 25 into 9 to the base 10 minus log 18 to the base 10. This log 18 comes from up. Now we know this is log a minus log b. Again, what is the rule? Log a minus log b is log a by b. So this will become log, this will become, whole will become log a, this will become log a, and this will become log b. So this will become log 8 into 25 into 9 by 18. Fine, because it's minus, so it will be the numbers of the log will get divided. So 2 4, and this will become log 100 to the base 10. Right? Now we know what is log 100 to the base 10. So just to explain you, you can write this as log 10 to the power 2. We know that when there is a power to the log, the power comes in front, and you can write this as log 10 to the base 10 into 2. And we know log 10 to the base 10 is 1. So 2 into 1 is 2, because log of any number to the same base is always 1. Fine. Now we'll see the C1, that is log 4 plus 1 by 3 log 125 minus 1 by 5 log 32. Right? Now we know the rule that n log a is log a to the power n. So log 4 I'll write as it is, plus log 125 raised to the power 1 by 3 minus log 32 raised to the power 1 by 5 by applying this rule. Now what is the case? 125 is raised to 1 by third power. We will factorize 125. 125 will factorize, so it will become 5 raised to the power 3. Fine. So this will become log 5 raised to the power 3. 125 in place of 125 we can write 5 raised to the power 3 and 1 by 3. This 1 by 3 minus same way 32 को भी factorize you can do. 2 1 6 2 8 2 4 2 1, that is 1 2 3 4 5. So 32 की जगह पे you can write 2 raised to the power 5 into 1 by 5, this 1 by 5. So 3 3 cancelled here, 5 5 cancel. So what you are left with? You are left with log 4 plus log 5 minus log 2. Now again we'll follow the rule of log, that is log a plus log b is log a into b. So now you can write it as log 4 plus log 5 will be log 4 into 5 minus log 2. Same way, again we know the rule, that is log a minus log b is log a by b. So this will become log 4 into 5 by 2. Fine, this is the rule. We are following log a, this is log a and this is log b, that is log a by b. So this will get cancelled and what you will get is log 10. If there is no base, that means the base is 10. And we know that any log with the same base, the value is 1. So what is the value for this one? 1. So this is how we will find the values of the log.